here. It's removing the dry soil just by a regular hoover.
We were recommended by Howard.
Here is beginning to clean up the first sofa, one of four. I believe he's bringing the sofas out into the yard, as the sofas do not have feet on the bottom of them. He's brought them out to clean them on top of a tarpaulin. I believe this is the second sofa.
So this one here, as you can see,
He's explaining that it has urine stains.
urine stains apparently.
Okay. Made by a cat.
Got married.
And Tiddles.
So we're going to treat that with some urine remover. There's some ink mark there, see if we can get that out as well. Okay, so first of all, we're going to need to mix some urine.
So he's going to mix up a solution,
And
apply it, leave it to dwell for a period of time.
going to hoover it down and mix some urine.
So I guess he's hoovered it here. He's filling his staingard applicator with enough staingard for the 4 sofas. And believe me, that applicator holds, I believe, 9 litres. And a good ample solution needs to be applied to each sofa in order for it to be effective. It's not just a spray on and go, it's you need to spray it on. As you can see, he's working it side to side and up and down, so that's east to west, west to east, north to south, south to north, back and front, and the sides the same way, as you can see.
Drop them right here.
Seems like it's a sunny day today, so what he's done, he's taken out his drop sheets and put them out in the sun where he can put the sofas to rest as they have no feet.
Staingard in the second sofa.
So he's cleaned the second sofa, and I believe he's about to apply the staingard to the second sofa. That's 2 of 4. And as you see on the left there, the other ones there in the sun, just drying off. So, those are the 2 over there. They seem to be done. Now the 4th sofa is a long cushion in which it had urine stains on it, so he's applied a urine stain deodorizer and neutralizer to remove the stains and the smell, and leaving it to dwell, working it in and leaving it to dwell, and then to go on to clean it. Sometimes you have to
go around the edges.
Do this twice. Could be 3 times.
Here on the other side.
So after leaving it to dwell, he's cleaning it. cushion itself, I believe, is one-sided, so he's just going to clean the top and the sides. The underneath has no actual material to clean. This, I believe, was an extra. When he had reached there, they had asked if he could do this, of which he obliged. Here he is, using his buffing brush. And I believe at some stage he's just going to set the nap back, which is just means basically brushing it in one direction, so you don't see those light lines. There he goes, and overlapping each stroke. There we go. Just like I taught you. I believe this job took about 3 hours or so.
It's a lovely day.
So, as it's a warm day, the sun...
dry enough to sit on, but they're dry enough.
The sun dries it a bit quicker. Not, as he said, not to actually sit on, but enough that he can be happy with the work and he can see everything that he's done. And he's pointing out that other sofa there, which is where that cushion came from. He's just going to do the base of it. He's not going to actually clean the rest of the sofa because there was no staining to, only to the base of it. The part that cushion sits onto. And I believe this is the corner part of the sofa, which is the last piece. And he's obviously, there's him doing another coat of staingard in, as I said. That's to make it effective, more effective. I believe the client's about to enter into the...
Okay, let me get it out.
And there was some paperwork that we discussed in regards to a stain protection plan. There he is, there's the plan we're going to bring in with a customer.
Manage to sell customer and aftercare. Here's a Protect Plus program. You can see that in another video, in another upload. I'll get him to sign this for what I've done, and then probably sign for some other.
If anybody's interested, just comment in the section below, and we can sign you up for one of those. So, insurance for your furnishings, last 5 years on furniture.